are you all? I am Rupinder Singh, PGT Physics, and today we will talk regarding the refraction of light. You must have wondered, when the light is traveling onto some surface, what can happen to the light? For you all, the light can be reflected, can be transmitted, or can be observed. Basically, transmission is the refraction of light. And these three cases can be formed. Mostly opaque object reflect the light and transparent object transmit the light, or you can say refract the light. So when we talk regarding the opaque object can be mirror, which is polished, so it is an opaque object, but a glass is a transparent object. So now we will be studying with the topic refraction of light. Basically, what is refraction of light? Bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. Likewise, you see in the diagram, light ray is traveling along the normal, making an angle of incidence, and it get refract by making an angle of refraction along the boundary. Now consider a glass slab. A light ray which is passing through a glass slab. Since glass slab is what? It is a transparent medium, so refraction of light will take place. Now light ray is a slant, that is making an angle less than 90 degree with the normal to the glass slab, while the ray of light, when it goes from air to glass, it will bend towards the normal. Why it will bend towards the normal? Because rare to dense light ray goes, it will always bend towards the normal. If it would be a dense to rare, then it will bend away from the normal. Now these two medium are there. Incident medium is air, that is rare medium, whose density is less, and refractive medium is glass, whose density is more than that of air. And again, from the glass, light ray enter into the air, then it will bend away from the normal, since rare to dense towards the normal, dense to rare away from the normal. You must have seen this effect in the video also. Now kindly see the path. And now we are forming the normal over here. Normal is the perpendicular to any surface boundary. Normal, now the angle which the incident ray makes with the normal is called angle of incident, and the angle of refraction is the refracted ray makes with the normal, that is called angle of refraction. Angle of incidence is denoted by small I, and angle of refraction is denoted by small r. Now basically, if we talk regarding refraction, due to refraction there is always a change in path of light, that is bending of light occurs. Why? Because light travel with different speed in different medium, so the refraction of light occurs. When the refraction occurs, always there is bending of light due to change in medium.